Today we are doing something a little bit different, and we're with our good friend Alex Clare from Norfolks Edge, who's teaching us how to cook the signature beef Wellington for Mother's Day.
Today you're going to be my sous chef.
Yes, chef.
And everything you do, you address me as chef, please.
Okay, yes, chef. I will do my best.
These eggs.
Yep.
Cracked into there.
Okay.
And I was kind enough earlier on to actually weigh out your ingredients.
Okay.
Do you know what this is?
Flour.
He actually had to pause.
Let's start that again. No, that needs to be direct.
Yeah.
Flour. Flour, chef. Okay.
No.
Eggs in the bowl.
Yep. I actually add my wet mixture first. So we're going to add the milk.
The milk.
Then we're going to add the flour.
Okay.
Whisk it in.
Okay.
This is going to be the pancakes for our Wellington that we're going to roll with serrano ham, mushroom duxelle, which Sash is going to kindly make for us. And then, yeah, we'll roll in the pastry.
Yeah.
Beef Wellington.
Bosh.
Bosh.
Sash, can I just ask what you're making, sorry?
A duxelle? What's a duxelle?
So mushroom duxelles, so we've got shallots I'm using today. We've got mushrooms, and finely chopped, sear in a pan, and then we're going to add a little splash of cream, and that's going to coat the fillet of beef.
So no duck.
There's no duck, and there's no cell.
I'll tell you what, when we do this for Mum Sash, she's going to be very impressed.
Our mum used to be a chef, so
Where was she cooking?
we've got very high expectations to meet.
In a restaurant?
That's why we got the best.
I mean, I think her introduction to cooking was she was on a potato peeling conveyor belt. Yeah,
Really?
peeling potatoes all day. Yeah.
How are you doing, Josh?
I feel like the
think
consistency is there. Yeah.
is there.
Does it matter about the? It's around the
Get
edge.
around the side
Oh, okay.
as well.
Okay.
Is that my induction?
I'll tell you what. I don't know. No, it is, but it works on the centre.
Oh, right.
Right.
Okay.
That definitely works on the centre. Okay. Yeah.
Josh, how often do you cook? Alright, next question.
Now we're done with that, in a minute I'm going to get you to come and make me some pancakes.
Okay.
But
Perfect.
now, while Sash is sorting the veg, if
Yeah.
you could just finish peeling those for me.
Okay. Perfect.
So if you could just salt that it.
Oh, I've got that. Absolutely.
Half down your shirt.
How much? Some more? Absolute professional.
So if you just watch this bit, this is quite a nice, easy step. So
Okay.
we're just going to simply seal this fillet. To seal hot pan,
Yeah.
olive oil. I use an olive oil. I use pomace. Again, it's not very bitter. It's quite sweet. And then we're just going to sear this and colour it up on the outside.
Obviously, these aren't gonna fit, but it doesn't
You need
fit.
to get them. Mate, what are you doing?
I mean, well, it's in there now. It's in.
Well,
It's in. Okay.
Next time, just ask, alright?
Okay.
So we're going to start blanching these.
Blanching.
And I've just got this, I'm going to put this on, say, a high heat to start with. I start with cold water, but you could start with hot as well and then add the carrot.
Speed the carrot, okay.
Speed the process up.
Okay.
We've got our beef sealing, nice. We need to set that in the fridge in a second.
Yeah.
Josh has got the carrots on. Mushrooms are nice and finely chopped.
Thank you.
We now have to finely chop these shallots. So basically the aim is to get that shallot the same size as that. And we're going to get it in the pan. So we'll go, you're going to go like this.
Oh, no, I'm not.
I reckon you can do it.
Just watch your finger. Down.
Just like that.
We'd save a whole bunch of time if you did it.
I'll have a go.
Yeah, go on, you do.
Right, okay, I'm up.
Look how slow he is.
Right.
Wash the
I actually
beef.
have a passion for cooking.
Do you have a passion for your fingers as well? Because one of them's going to win today and I don't know which one.
I feel like I do need my fingers for making jewellery this week, so I'm going to...
Nice.
Right.
I've got a job for you.
Hang on, I'm just having a little snack.
A snack? Oh.
So what I need you to do is brush this just on the outside and fill it.
Just as
Like
slap
all the way
dash.
around.
Okay.
So we'll put that into the stock pot effectively, and I'll just move that now. Exactly that, so get that nice and fine. And then we're on to the pancakes, Josh boy.
Lovely job.
Joshy boy.
I'm in.
Joshy Chefy. We're actually doing quite well, all things considering. Sasha doesn't like touching me. Josh nearly cut his fingers off, and I've got half cut up. Well, that one, you left that one whole way.
And I just forcibly pushed that one down.
Yeah, somewhere in there, I've got a snapped off carrot. But other than that, I mean, presentation for me is everything. But we're good. So with the asparagus,
Lob
what
the
we're gonna
ends
do-
up.
we're simply going to just lob the ends up. So I'd like to get everything nice on the same side. So when it comes to plating up your Mother's Day meal on Sunday, it's going to look exactly how we do. So there. Now what I would do with that is I wouldn't necessarily put it in the stock.
Oh.
We could make a soup with this as a starter.
Okay.
Well, that's our next video. Okay.
Okay.
Follow the link for more. That is coming on perfect. So now if you can up the heat a little bit
Yep. 9.
and just let that cook out, and you can use this, so Maurice.
Maurice?
Yeah.
Okay.
Spatula, basically, he's just messing around with all these fancy words now.
So if you hold that pan,
Yeah.
just want to get all that down the side.
Are you comfortable like that, by the way? Like, excuse me.
Oh, backache in the morning. But yeah, we're just cooking that down, and then we're going to finish with some finely chopped chives,
Okay.
and then we need to cool that down before we roll our Wellington.
Okay.
I'll add a little bit of cream to that. Give that a stir while I'm doing it. Perfect. Do you want me to try?
Yeah.
World's biggest spoon.
World's biggest gob. No, I'm joking.
Thanks, Chef. I made that.
Is it nice?
Yeah, it is actually.
All I need from you guys is a pancake each.
Right, I've got that. I can do that.
This
It's just been pancake day.
is going to be wrapping our. Good point.
We got ours from M&S, to be honest.
So we're simply wrapping our Wellingtons with pancake. So when we're cooking the beef inside, it's not leaked, and it's holding the serrano ham and the mushroom duxelles that we just made.
Okay.
Oh no, I don't think I've got
That's
enough.
right, but you need a bit more mix.
But now it's cooked,
Is
isn't
it too late?
Yeah, it's too late.
Okay. I feel like my pan's not hot enough.
Well, I'll cut it
That's
out.
that pan, isn't it?
Yeah, it's this bad pan. Let me turn this up a little bit.
Is this thing?
It doesn't.
Oh, that's right.
Okay. Right. Are you going to toss it up? Oh my god.
There's a problem with.
Oh! It did a 360.
Hang on, I can fix it. Oh! Oh, look at that. Ow.
Yeah. Now get that round, all the way round. We need them quite big.
Oh.
Oh god.
Jesus, what's
Quite
going
a lot
on?
of oil in there.
Oh, right. There's a bit. There's like.
You were quite confident with that.
I was.
Come down a bit, like, give it on it.
Right.
Yeah, that's it.
Am I going to do it?
Go on.
I've got faith.
Okay. That
Oh my gosh.
was
It's
not
rubbish.
my attempt. Why did it stop? Right, ready?
It's
Okay,
the pan,
one.
isn't it? Where you had it? And just slide it off your pan into the plate. I'm just going to let them cool down for a second. So, pancakes, Josh, Sasha, not so good.
It tastes
great
good.
flavours, garlic, parsley, shallots, salt, seasoned perfectly. So nice chopping skills on that one.
Thank you so
Then
much.
we've got the serrano ham. So what we're going to do, cling film, so 2 layers, and you're going to do your own version of this after
Okay.
I've done this. So just like that, it's all stuck together. Then I'll put the pancake down. So this is going to help hold all together. Then we go with our serrano ham.
My mouth's watering.
So just make sure that you always peel the layers off. Duxelle. And just spreading that round. So you know when you have a Wellington and you look at it and it's round and you've got the layers?
Yes.
This is the layers we're creating.
Okay.
So, like so. So you always put it long ways. So you'll be popping that in like so. You take that there. And
Okay.
you're just holding that. I'm not putting much pressure on, just like so, and you can just tuck these in, like that, and then you bring it back to the start, so leaving like so, okay?
Yeah.
You take that cling film, go over, like so, and just twist. So what we're doing is the excess is gonna twist,
Right.
and when we cut that,
Hey.
it will just cut off.
Okay.
It's wrapped like so. And then we're going to fridge that for about 10 minutes and that'll be nicely set for ready to add to our pastry. Okay, so yeah, start the roll and now bring the cling film back. That's it. Yes, Sash.
Just hold that, will you?
Yes.
Thanks.
And then bring it back to the start. Yes. I'm not even joking. Go, 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 go. That's it. That's so good. Now grab the sides
Did you get that?
and twist against Christmas cracker. Here we go.
Caw.
Yes.
I'm very
So
impressed.
a little bit like, keep it going. So if you,
You do that.
like this.
Okay.
So what you want is you end up with that bit in your hand. So that will then cut, when we unwrap it, it will be cut off.
Okay. There you go.
There we go. Look at that. Oh,
then
not
just
hide that bit.
Is that perfect?
Right.
Puff pastry. Egg wash.
Yeah. Is that just a yolk?
Yep, just
Okay.
yolk. Just stir. So basically I brush it to where I'm going to come. So parchment paper. Yeah.
Neat.
Now, this is actually really hard. This part, so a bit like a present.
Yeah.
So like so,
Corners in.
corners in, like that.
Is that a specific move? The karate chop?
Call that the karate. Okay, there, over.
Yeah.
So you can see now that's our roll. Twist the paper. And just,
Straight off.
Ooh.
now with this bit, just going to roll it off the paper.
And set it back.
Like that, yeah.
Okay.
We're going to trim the ends, cut there. We want that nice round
Yep.
piece. So that's what I'm trying to create, is that. And nice and tight. The lattice cutter.
Oh wow.
So hold your hand just slightly over there.
Yeah.
Don't go over, this will cut you.
Okay. Okay.
Quite a firm press.
Yeah.
Whoa.
That quick.
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 If
Okay.
not, it'll get stuck inside.
Right, okay.
Especially when it's this soft.
Okay.
And then just trim this end, because again, I've got OCD and we want it to be perfect.
Yeah.
So, I will remind you of each step.
Yeah,
Okay, yeah, I was
so
going to
long.
say there's a lot to take in here.
Egg wash. No one's talking. Everyone's just now. Really light. Okay. This is a bit where it could go horribly wrong for me. You just slowly tear it apart
Open
a
it.
little bit.
Cool, look at that.
Aw.
Press it lightly, and then you're back down to your.
Looks so professional.
I know.
And then you're gonna take off the excess. But we're just gonna go in the oven,
Straight away.
200 degrees,
Yeah.
20 minutes.
20 minutes.
Yeah!
Well done.
Alex, thank you. This has been an unbelievable night. We've had so much fun, and the food looks unreal. And I can't wait for us to actually attempt to try and
I
cook
know.
this for our mum. But yeah, everyone, please follow Alex at Norfolks Edge, and I hope you enjoyed what we were doing. I certainly did.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Look at that.